In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up your Gumroad account in 2025. If you've been thinking about selling digital products online, Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms to start with. Begin by opening your browser and heading to gumroad.com. Once the home page loads, click on Start Selling. It's usually right in the center of the page. This will take you to the sign up screen where you can create your account in just a few clicks. For a faster setup, choose Sign Up with Google. If you're already logged into your Google account, simply select the one you want to connect to Gumroad, ideally the one tied to your business or store. Click Continue and Gumroad will link your Google account automatically. Next, check your Gmail inbox for a verification email. Inside, you'll find an authentication token. Copy that token, head back to Gumroad and paste it into the field provided. Then click Login and that's it. You've just created your Gumroad account. You'll now land on your Gumroad dashboard where you can manage your products, track sales and start building your store. Before uploading your first item, take a moment to explore the Getting Started section. It's packed with helpful tips on setting up your profile, customizing your store, and listing your first product the right way. And that's how easy it is to get started on Gumroad. You're now ready to begin your selling journey with one of the simplest e-commerce platforms out there. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one.